Okay, you should recognize this picture. It is titled Aufforderungen. Aufforderungen. So this is part two, part B of the lesson in this week. So with this picture, I'm going to ask you some questions. I'm going to try to make it pretty obvious what I'm asking since your knowledge of German is pretty small at this point, pretty limited. But basically what I'm going to be asking you is like, what is Frau Schulz saying, or whom is Frau Schulz saying read to? So think about that question in English. To whom is Frau Schulz saying the command read? Well, you can look at the picture, see the guy with the book, it's probably him. There's that verb lesen, which means to read. So if I ask, to whom is Frau Schulz saying read, you would have to say Peter. And I'll give you a choice on the video and you'll see it. So I'm going to pause a lot in this video to give you time to think. You can either let the pause happen or fast forward, but I'm going to ask you a variety of questions. Again, often I'm going to translate to English. So let us begin. So question 1, Frage 1. Frage means question. So Frage 1. Zu wem sagt Frau Schulz, hören Sie zu? I'm going to say it one more time. Zu wem sagt Frau Schulz, hören Sie zu? So in English I'm asking, to whom, zu wem, to whom is Frau Schulz saying, listen? Hören Sie zu. So you should recognize hören Sie zu as this word, as this phrase right here, hören Sie zu. So you would say Nora. So the questions are one-word answers. So now I'm going to begin with a lot less explaining, and you'll see the question choices pop up, and you just need to answer them and think about the right choices. Also, Frage 2, question 2. Zu wem sagt Frau Schulz, schreiben Sie? To whom is Frau Schulz saying, write? Zu wem sagt Frau Schulz, schreiben Sie? So look at the names of the people and think, and then make a choice. Question 3. Zu wem sagt Frau Schulz, stehen Sie auf? Zu wem sagt Frau Schulz, stehen Sie auf? Look at the names and think about the right answer here. Frage 3. Question 3. Might be a repeat of question 3. Was sagt Frau Schulz zu Heidi? So I changed the question. Try to get the meaning on your own here. Was sagt, so what is she saying? Was sagt Frau Schulz zu Heidi? Just think about that. What might I be asking? I'm asking, what is Frau Schulz saying to Heidi? So the answer is not going to be the name now. Now you know the name. What is she doing? So what would she be saying to Heidi? Ah, setzen Sie sich. Okay, so that was an example. Let's try one on your own. Was sagt Frau Schulz zu Nora? Again, listen for the name. Was sagt Frau Schulz zu Nora? Nora. Just think about the answers. You should be looking up here. Say it aloud and then choose on your screen. Okay, just a few more questions. Was sagt Frau Schulz zu Stefan? Was sagt Frau Schulz zu Stefan? Think about the answer and then select it. Okay, and that's it for this video. It's just a short kind of call and response. I encourage you to keep practicing the pronunciation of these command phrases and even the names here. So just as a quick reminder, I'll give you one last pronunciation of all the words on our list. Aufforderungen, that means commands. Schreiben Sie, that means write. Hören Sie zu, that means listen. Lesen Sie, that means read. Stehen Sie auf, that means stand up. Setzen Sie sich, that means sit down or take a seat. Here's the young man named Stefan. This young lady is named Nora. This young guy is named Peter. This teacher, the lady teaching is named Frau Schulz. The young gentleman here is named Albert. And the young woman here is named Heidi.